Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting review of the 2025 Fendt 1100 Vario MT, an absolute powerhouse of a machine that's ready to transform the way you work on the field. Whether you're a farmer looking for the next big thing or just a tractor enthusiast, this one is sure to catch your attention. Let's take a closer look at what makes this Fendt 1100 Vario MT stand out. First up, let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 Fendt 1100 Vario MT makes an impression from the moment you lay eyes on it. The signature Fendt green paint job is not just about aesthetics, it's built for durability. The large, aggressive front end with its prominent grille and LED lighting provides both a modern and functional design, ensuring visibility in all conditions. The wide track ensures stability and better ground contact, making it ideal for a wide range of applications, from tillage to heavy-duty hauling. The tracks on this model are a key feature. Fendt has done a great job with its variable track technology, which allows for better flotation and weight distribution, reducing soil compaction, an absolute must for modern, sustainable farming practices. Moving on to the interior. The 2025 Fendt 1100 Vario MT offers a next-level operator experience. As soon as you step inside, you're greeted by a spacious and comfortable cabin. It's designed for long hours of operation, with a high-tech dashboard that puts all the information you need right at your fingertips. The controls are intuitive, with the Vario terminal giving you full control over the tractor's various systems. The visibility is also fantastic, thanks to the wide windows and low prefixed ID. The seat is ergonomically designed for maximum comfort, with climate control to ensure that no matter the weather, you'll stay comfortable during your most demanding tasks. And let's not forget about the premium sound system and noise reduction features, which contribute to a peaceful, productive work environment. Now let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Fendt 1100 Vario MT packs a serious punch. Powered by a 400 horsepower engine, this tractor offers both power and efficiency, making it ideal for everything from plowing to heavy lifting. The Vario drive transmission ensures smooth power delivery to the tracks, providing seamless operation whether you're working on hills, flat ground, or through rough conditions. Its all-terrain capabilities are exceptional. The machine's handling and maneuverability, especially in tight spaces, are impressive for its size. Plus, the combination of the Vario drive and the high-efficiency engine ensures that you'll get the job done with minimal fuel consumption, making it not just powerful but economical. So, what about the price? The 2025 Fendt 1100 Vario MT comes with a hefty price tag, expected to start at around $300,000. While that's a significant investment, it's important to remember that you're not just paying for a tractor. You're investing in cutting-edge technology, comfort, and the power to handle virtually any agricultural task. It's built to last, and for many, that kind of reliability and performance is worth every penny. In conclusion, the 2025 Fendt 1100 Vario MT is a standout tractor that blends power, efficiency, and operator comfort in a way few others can match. Whether you're tackling tough terrain or working long hours in the field, this tractor delivers on all fronts. If you have the budget and are looking for a premium tractor that's ready to meet the demands of modern farming, this one is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more reviews, and let us know your thoughts on the Fendt 1100 Vario MT in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.